We're recording? We're recording? Okay. Hi, I'm William Barnes from Apple. And today I'd like to talk to you about our latest innovation in the technological field. Something that is being received with open arms by the tech community. And that is the new MacBook Pro lineup. When we released this product, we were basically saying that we were wrong. That what we've been doing for a number of years was pretty idiotic and in my opinion actually quite pointless. And for the first time ever, we have listened to the customers and given you exactly what you wanted. And judging by the praises we're receiving from the local tech reviewers,
I have been waiting for a MacBook like this pretty much my entire life.
And I'm unbelievably impressed.
we seem to have hit the nail right on the head. So let me just get my MacBook and then we can talk a little bit more about this amazing product. Just doesn't seem to be there. Sharon, hey, listen, where's my MacBook? It's not in my bag. What do you mean they gave it to someone else? Who'd they give it to? Tom Honeyhands. Does he know that that's not a review unit, that's my personal laptop?
Apple very kindly sent a review sample, which I...
Okay, listen, what I want you to do is get him on the line immediately and tell him he can keep the MacBook. I really don't care. He can keep the MacBook. Just tell him to erase everything. Go to System Preferences, go to the System Preference tab in the top left, click on the button. When he opens that, click on the bottom third from the top. Just erase everything and tell him not to go into my personal folder. It doesn't matter why, just do it. Okay. It seems like my personal assistant Sharon left my MacBook at home. Anyway, we have finally redesigned the MacBook and improved nearly everything. The first thing we improved was the touch bar. I mean, I don't know what we were smoking when we came up with this idea. So we replaced it with normal function keys, you know, like normal laptops. You know the thing, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I don't know why we tried to. Here at Apple, we came to realize that professionals and content creators cannot be restricted to USB-C and dongles. That's why we decided to come up with something completely different. Something like adding an SD card reader and an HDMI port, you know? I remember when I actually proposed this idea to Tim. Hey Tim.
Good morning!
Yeah, good morning. Listen, Tim, the reason I'm phoning is I think we should replace, I think we should actually put more ports on the MacBook Pro. This is a revolutionary idea. I think we should get on it before any other manufacturer really comes across this idea.
Wow.
Great. And then you know what, while we're at it, I think we should bring back MagSafe. Because quite personally, I'm tired of replacing your MacBook. You cannot seem to avoid that cable on your way to the gym, can you?
All of those things are true.
Great. Alright, catch you later, man. Cheers.
And have a great day.
Now, as always, the notch will contain Face ID. Exclusively on iPhone. Yeah, ain't we some teasers? Listen, if you would like to get Face ID and a keyboard together, may I recommend that you purchase one of our most expensive Apple iPad Pros. It's got the M1 chip, so it's truly fantastic. Because if you choose to go for the MacBook and the notch, you only get a webcam. But what a webcam it is. It's 1080p, you know, so you get to see all the wrinkles on your grandma's face. Now on to the chips. Hey, I'd like to place an order for some nachos. Extra guacamole, extra salsa. You guys want anything? Okay, one chicken burrito and then 2 tacos. Great, thanks. We're still rolling? Okay. Our CPU was already revolutionary. The M1 was quite impressive and we decided to take it to the next level. Or should I say, to the max. Okay, you know what? 1 second, guys. I'm not happy. I need to call Tim. Our CPUs are simply the best. Dare I say, the best in the world. And we've got all the confusing graphs and charts to prove it so that you can take your Microsoft Surface and toss it in our Apple trash can and then give us your money. Now, I know we've given a lot of Apple fans and tech enthusiasts blue balls waiting for this product. And if you personally haven't had your own pair of blue balls, you can go and buy a pair from apple.com for only $99. And our pair of blue balls will say hello back when you talk to it. The all-new MacBook Pro.
It's time for some FaceTime.
Sorry, Sam. It's currently 2:45 in the afternoon, and listen to this. Hey Tim.
Good morning.
Yeah, sorry, I seem to have butt dialed you. The guy seems to love to say good morning. How am I going to do this? Ugh, my throat is parched. Do you guys think Sam Tuck will mind if I stole his line?